Hello, I'm John.
And I'm Paul.
And we vlog our cruises and getaways. And we're staying at the Radisson Blu East Midlands Airport for a cruise, which will tell you what we're going on later on in the video if you're interested, and we'll also tell you the cost because we thought it was really good value. So we're going to do a little room tour and show you around, and also show you why it's useful for the airport, and maybe some food as well.
Yippee, I'm quite hungry.
Yeah.
So we're on the way into the hotel. There was quite a lot of traffic on the motorway and a lot of spray, so we're really glad to be here. So we're going to go and check in, hopefully drop our things off and then take our bags over to the drop off at the airport. So we're here the night before because we go quite early in the morning. We booked a standard room with 4 days parking. We were worried if there would be enough parking spaces, but there were plenty. We didn't book a runway view due to the time we would be staying and the early get-up. So the thing that I first noticed when we came into the room was the size of it. It's quite a nice big room, and you come in as a full-length mirror and there's like a little radiator there. I think maybe it gets cold in here for some people when they need to turn up the heating. They can just turn that on, but I don't think we're going to need that.
And we got a choice of a bath or a shower when we checked in.
And as you know, you don't like a bath, don't you?
I do, yeah.
Yeah. So is that to your standard?
Yeah, it's fine. It's only for one night, so.
So it's got a single sink and then like all the complimentary soaps, which are like Radisson Blu.
Radisson branded, yeah.
Yeah.
What type are they?
It's a body lotion and a hand wash.
So it's with ginkgo biloba and silk extracts, and goji berry and sea salt extracts, the hand wash.
Well, that's quite good. Like if you was having a shower, the shower controls are over here, so you can let the shower warm up first before you get under it. Because sometimes when the shower controls are underneath the shower, you have to turn it on and then a little bit of cold water comes out. So that helps, yeah, that's good. Quite satisfied with this bathroom, are you?
Yeah. It's got a hairdryer as well. Then the doors, they clearly haven't gone out of fashion if you've watched that Holiday Inn Express one. It's got the door that opens in the bathroom to the toilet.
Where's John gone? There you are. This is an airport hotel. Most people are just here for one night, but some people do come to airport hotels for a bit longer, and if you are, I suppose you want to know what's in the wardrobe. It's quite a spacious wardrobe. 4 hangers, which isn't too bad, and then you've got some drawers down there, plenty of storage, and in that one, you've got no hangers there, but you've got an ironing board and iron, which is quite handy if you need to iron something. And you come through to the main part of the bedroom, and you can see it has a bedside table with USB. It's got both types of USB, the newer one and the older one.
Oh, A and C.
Yeah,
cool.
Which is useful. But the reading lamps, a kind of mural on the wall with a little finch of some kind. Don't know what one it is, but it's pretty.
Yeah.
And you got these windows that go into the bathroom, but they're frosted. Like if anyone's been to like Spain or Germany, sometimes they're not. So you probably could still make out someone's body form. And here is
TV.
It's quite a big one.
Yeah, ice bucket. There's an ice machine in the corridor.
Yeah, which is a nice touch.
Yeah.
So let's have a look at the view. Beautiful. It's off a long stay car park, I think, for the airport, I imagine. Or one of the car parks. But yeah, it's a runway, I think.
Might well be.
Because it looks like it.
The hotel car park's quite big, isn't it? Because we're worried it's going to be small. Because we're going to go in a minute and do bag drop. So some airlines do bag drop. So from 4 o'clock we can go and take our cases over. Then we don't have to worry in the morning at 5:20. And the hotel has a free shuttle too, which we'll try and show you if we can. But we'll be really tired at 5:20. It takes you to the airport, and then when you come back, you just press a button and then they'll come and collect you.
I originally said to go for the 5 o'clock one, but you quickly shot it down, didn't you? And said 5:20. I was like, yes, 5:20.
Well, you meant to get there 2 hours before, but it's just crazy. Like, and then the airline says 3 hours.
Yeah,
that's just ridiculous.
Yeah,
to get through security.
What's down there, John?
Oh, a fridge. It's got 2 bottles of water, but I don't know if they're free or not. I think there might be, but I'm not sure.
Are you some kind of customer? You know, like level?
Everyone always signs up for the scheme to get it cheaper. So
are we on that?
Yeah, so it might be free, so we'll find out before we go and buy some. But we've got the cheapest room. This is just a standard room.
Which I'm quite impressed with. It's
safe there. It's quite big, the safe, to be honest. You could probably fit a laptop in there, like a 17-inch laptop. And then obviously the usual tea, coffee facilities, which...
Any bickies?
Yeah, 2 biscoffs. We don't use a kettle.
No, why not?
We don't use a kettle. If you don't know why we don't use a kettle, then see the Holiday Inn Express video. Look, more
storage up there. Okay. I don't know what you'd put up there. Maybe a small case or something.
Yeah.
Or maybe something like that. Okay. Ooh. Mirrors everywhere.
Yeah.
Ooh. Steamy. The hotel has a gym, steam room, and pool. It's fairly quiet. But no trunks dryer, so we use the hand dryer. And there was only room for 3 people changing.
So we have to drop our bags now. So we're going to park in short stay 1, get a token, drop our bags off, and then get it validated and come back.
I just can't wait to do it because it's like one of those jobs. It's done then, and then the holiday begins.
Yeah. There's 2 lifts.
I think this is another side of the hotel. I don't think it's very high.
So it takes about 2 minutes to get to the airport from the hotel. So we just drive in to drop the bags off, as you know.
Yeah.
So far, so good. It's very quiet.
Yeah.
What did you think of the pool?
I thought it was really nice. Nice temperature, not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, steam room was nice. Went in there as well.
It was fairly clean, wasn't it?
Yeah. The only thing I'd say is the changing rooms are really small. There's only enough space for 2 people in the main bit, and then also there's a separate changing cubicle if you wanted to use that, and that was it. So straight over to short stay. Watch our own video back if we come again.
Yeah. God, it's still daylight still.
I know, that's why I wanted to get it done now.
In 200 yards, you will arrive at your destination.
Keep left. Keep left.
It's a yellow one, so it's the furthest left. We've never been here before.
You have arrived.
But we've heard good things, so it's a nice and small airport. It's got a Greg's.
So press for a token. There we go. Can you hear that?
Yep. So this is a token you get, and then we've got to find the machine before we leave to get it validated, so we don't have to pay. This guy is quite nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really empty. So we settled for a toffee fudge muffin at Greg's.
It was very nice.
Yeah, we don't usually like Greg's that much now, but it was really nice.
No judgment.
No judgment.
And then we're just going to go back to the hotel. We got the parking token, didn't we? It was quite easy.
Yeah, you just have to show your baggage receipts.
Yeah. I'm going to go back, and now it's like just literally like relax now. We can breathe and sigh ready until tomorrow morning.
And then we're going to eat some food in about an hour.
You're eating in the hotel, aren't we?
Yeah, try it out. It's got a bit of mixed reviews, so we'll see.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it because we don't eat out that often, so it'll be nice.
We're just having a relax now with Ian. So I had the vegan burger, and Paul, what did you have?
I had a beef burger with a bone marrow or something, but it was like, just tasted like a beef burger, but it was really nice.
Yeah.
It was particularly dense burger, but tasty, and it had like this onion chutney, red onion chutney, and it was kind of sweet and made it really nice.
Yeah. Mine was vegan burger, like I said, but I think it really was a bean burger, but it was unusual because I came across and asked if I wanted cheddar cheese, which I don't mind because I'm not vegan, but I don't know if it ran out of vegan cheese. But yeah, it was all quite nice. It came to just over 50 quid for the meal, and then with 2 beers, so not too bad.
Not too bad.
You get 10% off if you're a Radisson Blu member.
It's really bloated me though.
Yeah. We didn't have dessert though, we were good, because otherwise that would have been 2 desserts in one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was tempted, but I had 2 desserts. One was a Biscoff cheesecake, and the other one was key lime pie. But I just thought, you need to know your limits.
Yeah.
Because it just is like, we're going to be on a cruise the next few days, and there's no limits on the cruise.
So the price of a room was £110 for the night plus 4 days parking. And also we got some cash back, so it came out at about 100 for us, which we think is really good value, because on our next trip we're paying like over £100 just for the car park at a different airport.
So it includes the parking?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, for all the way for 4 days. So that's really good. And it's really easy, the staff are really friendly as well and really helpful. Yeah. Tell you everything you need to know.
Our Morello 90s Noughties cruise starts next Sunday. Join us then.